today we are here at Devil's Den State Park in Arkansas. We're taking advantage of this beautiful weather once again. I think we're gonna start making these hikes on a weekly basis, especially now that the weather is turning and we're getting this amazing weather once again. So today we're gonna do a little hike, and we're gonna take you guys with us, go on another adventure, and hopefully you guys could enjoy this amazing scenery with us.
We decided that we were going to explore more of Arkansas this year.
Yeah, so this year we want to make a series where we want to call it like Exploring Arkansas or something like that, where we go to different state parks and do different hikes and just record, you know, like have memories of this beauty, to have it up there on YouTube, and hopefully other people can enjoy it too. I know there's not that many people who watch these videos yet, but hopefully, you know, with time we could share these videos with more people. And if it doesn't happen, then that's fine. We can keep these videos as memories for us. So,
and then we have Jaden with us today.
Yeah. I don't even know what to say.
I don't know. I mean, it's been a couple years since we were here, so I don't even think we made it to the end last time we were here. So let's hike as much as we can today, and then we can see if we can make it to the end.
This is the easy trail, right?
I think so. I think this is an easy trail. I don't think there's any difficult trails here in this park. Or maybe there is. I think there is a loop. It takes you a couple days to do. Yeah. So, but that's more for like people who love to go out there and spend the night and like in the wilderness, and you know, you just camp like that. Oh, let's go explore those caves. Remember the bears. Remember the bears.
Bears?
Yeah, the bears. You now watch the video where we went to Vegas, the Railroad Canyon.
No, Alex. You're gonna turn into Bear Grylls again?
Yeah.
You're gonna give me some tips?
I'm about to turn into Bear Grylls. I can feel the energy. Nah. Imagine like the people that turn into wolves. I turn into Bear Grylls. Every time I go out hiking, I turn into Bear Grylls.
This is a very steep trail.
Well, for now, because we took a little detour to explore this rock.
I don't remember this
You have
Do you
the
think I
X.
can do it? I'm
What?
sweating.
Can you do it?
Yeah.
Watch out.
Did it.
You did it. Is that it?
Yeah, I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna see what I can find here. Hold on.
That's really close.
When I was training with Bear Grylls, we used to slide on these things. That's the way we will have fun in the wilderness.
Okay, since you're Bear Grylls, you should be an expert coming down with no
Fear.
yeah
No fear?
with no problem.
Oh, yeah. Imagine I fall. I end up over there.
Oh.
I'm like Bear Grylls, and then I have to go to the hospital because I broke my arm.
Can you do it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Watch, Jaden. Watch and learn. Because if you ever get lost in the wilderness, you're gonna need some of these skills, right? Because you won't have signal there, so you won't be able to call me. That's it. This is easy right here.
Really? It seems like you're struggling a little bit.
No, this is the easy part.
Wow.
For all those haters out there who are waiting for me to fall, what's up? All right. So I think there's a waterfall up there.
Yeah,
Let's try to make it to it.
I can hear it.
Yeah, I didn't know there was a waterfall here. I don't think that's where this trail ends though. I'll be very disappointed if it ends there. Look, there's a lot of little flowers growing.
I can pass first.
Alright, go.
I think I know how.
If you fall, I'm putting this in the video.
No, I'm not.
Oh, like dun.
Be careful, Jaden.
I made it.
Is it slippery?
So we found ourselves a challenge here. Careful, bro. Hey, careful. Alright. Oh.
That's easy.
Oh, my turn now then. You think the expert will really fall on this thing?
No.
Were you really doubting me, Jaden? Were you really doubting me? Can't believe you doubt your bro. When he's an expert at hiking.
These are the rocks you were talking about.
Oh yeah, these are the rock formations that people have created. So we have made it to the waterfall, but I'm gonna cross this here. Hopefully I don't fall. You know, I like to live life dangerously sometimes. Wow, looks cool, huh? Try to go jump into the waterfall.
Which one? Okay, pick.
Wait, are you actually gonna get in? Like in?
Yeah.
Or are you just gonna put your hand out? So what is it gonna be?
I'm gonna go in.
Alright,
Okay.
it's up to you then.
Which one? This one or this one?
I don't know, whichever.
Whichever.
So Kenya's gonna go into the waterfall.
I'm
So,
gonna go that one.
huh?
That one. Alright.
Alright. So this is gonna be the one then. Be careful though, don't slide because it might be slippery there.
I'll start with this one then.
Okay.
You gonna take a picture?
Oh, it's a video.
Video?
Yeah, I'm recording still.
Oh my
Alright, so here's the final outcome after getting in the waterfall.
Oh, look.
Yeah.
He looks like.
Oh, you put your sweater on top of it. I thought you were gonna take off the shirt first.
No, take off my shirt.
Yeah, and then put the sweater because the sweater was dry.
No.
Alright. So, what are your comments?
It's really cold now.
Yeah, it is.
And I'm wearing pants and they're completely wet now.
Yep.
So, oh, I'm gonna be cold.
Alright, let's go. Let's go. Once we start walking again, it's gonna
Where are we going? Where?
it's gonna get better. Yeah, take the tripod, please. Thanks. So since we took our pictures in the waterfall, I guess our hike is over. Since you guys are already cold and wet.
Well, I am cold, honestly. It looks really cold.
Alright, so I guess let's go back to the car now then. Oh, isn't there like a cave somewhere here?
I don't know. That one?
No.
Yeah, I remember there was like a cave.
I like how this looks here.
Let's go see. Let's go see if we can find it. Seems like there's another waterfall down there.
I'm gonna
You know what that means?
You know what that means? Kenya's gonna swim again.
I need to.
But this look out here pretty cool too. You can see the river down there, the camping site. So we're gonna go check out the waterfall there.
Where is it?
Just look right there, to the right.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
Maybe I can dry myself.
I'm just gonna go in.
Dry yourself by getting in the waterfall again.
Well, we'll see.
Alright, so we made it back to the car. The plan now is to go grab something to eat. We're a little far away from the main city here, so we're gonna have to stop on the way back. But for now, this was our hike for today. What was your favorite part of today's hike, Jaden?
Getting wet.
Getting in the water. Okay. What about you?
The same thing.
Same thing?
Yeah.
Yeah, I enjoyed it. I liked recording the videos and going for a walk, you know, because it's good exercise. So
I think it would be nice if the trees were a little more fuller.
yeah. But like I said, we're thinking of making that series of videos where we're gonna be exploring different parts of the state, and we're probably gonna have a lot of these hikes in the future. So for now, let's go eat, Jaden, because I know you're hungry. I can see that face that you're starving.